So part D is just a simple integral. It doesn't even ask you to explain anything. 0 to 5. This is just using u substitution. This should be easy. Dx. So u in this case I would say is 25 minus x squared. Du is negative 2x dx. That means dx is negative 1 over 2x du. I'll make my substitutions with the units. Remember, these are x values. I just changed to u's, so I need to find out u values. If I plug in 0 for x, I get 25. If I plug in 5 for x, I get 0. And then I'll plug in the rest of my stuff. I have an x, I have the square root of u now, and then I have a negative 1 over 2x du. That x cancels out. I could change the limits of integration. You don't have to, but I could, like flip them over, just because they're backwards. But then that would make it a negative. So if I did this, I'm going to, just because I like to think about it. But then I also have, negative 1 over 2x, right? This negative is from here. This negative is from when I flipped it around. So really, it just goes away. That's the reason why I'm flipping it over, and because I kind of like it to go in order from smallest to biggest. And then I have u to the 1/2 du, right? The square root changes to a 1/2 exponent. That means I have taken the antiderivative u to the plus 2 over 2. So that's 3 over 2 multiplied by the reciprocal, 2/3. And then I also have to have that 1/2 in front. Right? I think so. Let me take the derivative to check. So I bring that down, everything will cancel. And then subtract 2 over 2, that's 1/2, yes. And that 1/2 out front. Whoop, there shouldn't be this x here. I don't know why I wrote that there. That shouldn't be there. Okay, and this is evaluated from 0 to 25. I'm going to simplify a little bit before I start to evaluate. 3/2 over 3, 0 to 25. And then I'll plug in 25. So I'll do the square root first. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, divided by 3, minus, when I plug in 0, minus 0 over 3. So my answer is then just 125 over 3. So it said that, find that, that's 125 over 3.